Here it is, the VC Life 6-24 by 50. This is my video on how to fix this, how to make it work really well. So you can see it's in a little stand here because I don't want to work on it when it's on the rifle, lest I damage the rifle anyway. I mean, I guess you could make that out of wood or whatever else you have laying around. I just tacked together some railroad spikes here. Got to get it at a nice working height. So that's, 31 or so inches off the deck. And you want good tooling. In order to do this, you want good tooling. So nice long, good bit of leverage here with a little bit longer handle. Rounding die to get a really good bend. I don't think that could have went better. I really don't. I'm fairly excited.